Okay, let's dive into a really complex and deeply human topic, intergenerational trauma. This powerful quote about the children of Holocaust survivors kicked off a huge scientific mystery. The big question became, how does this happen? How can trauma's echo last for generations? Early on, they noticed things like higher anxiety and hypervigilance in the children of survivors.
So the search shifted from psychology to biology, looking for actual concrete clues.
And the first place they looked was the body's own stress response system.
This is known as the HPA axis. You can just think of it as your body's alarm system.
And they found something wild. Low cortisol, a sign of PTSD, also showed up in the kids. But it got even more complex. The effects were different depending on if it was mom or dad. So, how could a parent's life experience actually reprogram their child's biology? Well, the prime suspect in this whole investigation is something called epigenetics.
Now, epigenetics doesn't rewrite your DNA sequence. It just adds notes that change how it's read. Think of DNA as a cookbook. Epigenetics are like sticky notes changing which recipes get used. Now, a lot of the really compelling evidence here actually comes from animal studies.
And this is a key point. In animals, the evidence is causal. In humans, it's much more complicated. In mice, for example, they proved that stress could alter sperm and pass traits down, a direct link. But in humans, the evidence just isn't there yet to say the same thing. It's not conclusive.
As top researchers say, you simply can't pin these effects on one single cause in people.
And that's because it's almost impossible to separate biology from life itself. It's likely a mix of everything: parenting, the womb, and maybe some inherited marks. You just can't untangle the potential biology from the experience of being raised by a traumatized parent. But, and this is really important, the science also points toward hope and the potential for change. Remember those animal studies? A better environment could actually reverse some of those epigenetic changes. So if negative experiences can leave a mark, maybe positive ones can help heal it. A powerful question about resilience.